If you have been looking for how to milk step index successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to analyze how you can trade step index successfully, actually using this QDC scraper indicator. For the past few days now, I've been using the QDC scraper indicator to analyze volatility 75, and so many people have been asking me if they can actually use it for step index or not. So in today's video I will be doing a video on that and show you how to go about it and how you can trade successfully using this indicator. But first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before going live on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. And also, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question about my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I drop a training video like what I'll be doing in today's video. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. And another reason why you should do this is once in a while I usually do live trading strategy. I usually trade live and direct with my subscribers. So if you are online at that particular time, you will be notified and you can copy trade what I am doing. So many people have been doing this and they've been making quite a lot of money with it. I remember the last time I did so, a few people copied my trade. I was able to make $1,000. Then there is a particular student that contacted me. She actually made $662. $662 rather, $662 from the trading. Okay, she actually followed my trade and made $662 from it. Okay, personally I made over $1,000 with that. So you guys can also do the same thing, and you can only do that if you are a subscriber of this channel. That is one of the benefits of being a subscriber. So all you just need to do is just to click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly, before going into today's training, I would like us to do some market analysis so that we know what is happening in the market. I'm starting with Boom 1000 and I'm using the signal indicator for this. For Boom 1000, as you can see, it was on a very long downtrend. You can see this downtrend actually lasted for more than 80 minutes. Okay, it lasted for more than 80 minutes. You can see it started from here. After getting to this resistance level, we got ourselves signal here, sold for a while, crossed this line and also changed from blue line to yellow line, which made it go on a very long downtrend. But after getting to this support level, it reversed back a bit. Okay, but right now it is trying to decide which direction to go. As you can see, it sold for a while here also because it has broken from this support level and sold for a while before spiking up from here, which is as a result of the support level that it got from here. So if it breaks this line, then we should expect it to get to this level again before it will spike up. But if it does not break it, then we should expect a spike on the line. But if it breaks it, it will get to this level. If it breaks this support, then it should definitely get to this level, but it is most likely that it get to this level before it will reverse totally. Okay, let's check out what is happening with Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for this, and of course Crash 1000 has been on a very long uptrend. You can see we got our buy signal here after this very long downtrend. We got our buy signal here, got confirmed there, and it went up to this level. Okay, after getting to the same resistance level, it started coming down and got to that same support level, which it's also respected again and started going up again. This time around got to the resistance level, and you see it dropping down again to that same support level. It has been, if you should notice it has been maintaining the same region of support and resistance level. If it had been on higher time frame, you will be able to draw your channel out from there. Okay, so you will understand what I'm trying to talk about. Let's check out what is happening with Boom 500. For Boom 500, it's just concluded the long downtrend. You can see it started the downtrend from here. I'm using this QDC scraper indicator for this. It started the downtrend from here and finished it from on this candle. It finished it on this particular candle, which is telling us that the market is going back on uptrend. So the market will be going back on uptrend any moment from now. So if you have been in the market selling, stay away from the market till it starts because the market will soon be going back on uptrend. It will be spiking any moment from now. So you can wait. If you don't know how to trade the spikes, you can wait till it get back to downtrend again before you jump into the trade. Let's check out what is happening with Crash 500. For Crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator. This is 1 hour time frame. It is presently on downtrend. Like I said in my last video, that if it's breaks this, then we might likely see it going back on downtrend to this level, and check it out, it is getting there already. So that is the way it works. So I'll be stopping here with my analysis right now. I will be going back into today's video, but before then, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me and I will reply you as soon as possible. So let's go back to today's video, how to trade step index successfully using the QDC scraper indicator. So the first thing we need to do is to launch our step index platform, which is this. Then we set up our indicator on it. So I'm going to add it to it. Okay, this is it. Then I'll take it down to 1 minute so that we get to see the way it works very well. But there is one thing I need to let you know. For the step index, the QDC scraper trend, this QDC trend scraper is not going to show. Okay, the QDC trend scraper will not be showing. I don't know why, but they didn't allow it to show. But I can say a few reasons why they didn't allow it to work with the step index. Okay, because step index has a steady movement, is not as volatile as volatility 75. So if the QDC trend scraper is showing, then definitely you will always be in profit. So they didn't allow it to show because it will always take you to profit. You will know the beginning of the trend right from the beginning till the very end. But with that being done, okay, we won't be able to know the general trend of the market, but we can know the exact trend of the market and still milk the market successfully. There are two other indicators that can prove that to us: the candle indicators and this second indicator in the second indicator window. So these are the two things that we'll be using to trade this asset successfully. Okay, then we will also be using the signals on the main chart to do our analysis. This is 1 minute time frame. The first thing you need to take note of is once this is green and coming down from 0 and the candle indicator is also green, just go with the buy trend. Okay, with the buy signal. So as you can see, we got our buy signal here and it went up to this level. So you exit on the exit arrow, which is the sell arrow. Okay, once the sell arrow is out, then you should know that you should be getting ready to sell. And if this turns to red also, then you can come in and sell with it till you get your buy arrow popping out, or once this is turning to getting to 0, so you can always exit the market from there. So you can go on and off, on and up and down with the chart, okay, using the signal indicator on the main indicator, then the trend on the candle indicator, and also the one in the second indicator window. You can follow the two in order to trade it successfully. Okay, let's check it out more and more. Let me take it backward a bit. Okay, you can see we got our buy signal here on green, and it went up to this level, so down to for a while. Then we got another buy signal here on green area also, so it went up to this level. Okay, so you can always follow that and trade successfully, milking this market successfully throughout the chart of the step index. Okay, you can do this over and over and over again. And the good thing about step index is it is very steady. The movement is steady. It is not as volatile as volatility 75, and it will always take you to profit if you are on the right trend. So you can follow the trend I have shown you in this video so that you will trade it successfully. And the good thing about it is your arrows also can also guide you. Okay, you can see that we got our sell arrow here, and if you should check it below the sell arrow, you can see that it is coming down, coming out from this zero level, and which means that it is going on a red, which means that it will be selling for a very long time. Okay, look at it, it's sold till it got to this level, and down here there is a blue arrow there which says that it is buying. You can see that it bought to this level, and right now it is selling again. So you can always sell and buy till you achieve your daily targets with this. Okay, it's quite unfortunate that they didn't allow the QDC trend scraper to show. If they had allowed that, you would have been able to milk the market for a very long time, but they didn't allow it to show because it's going to give you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see that you can always take your buy trade. Check it out. Taking your buy trade right here will put you in a lot of profit. You can always take your buy trade because it is coming down from zero level and going up to this level and coming down to zero level, which is where you will be exiting the market. Okay, you can do the same thing from here also. Check it out, from here to this level, which is amazing. So you can always do that over and over and over again, and you can also do this on the same level. Okay, you can also do this on the same level. So this is how amazing this is. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. In my next video I will show you more tips which you can apply to trade volatility to trade step index successfully. Okay, I'll be sharing with you more tips which you can apply to trade step index successfully without any hiccups using this indicator. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.